Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to make modules and submodules. If you select your classroom here, you can see I'm in Shelley's 3rd grade art class, and I'm going to click on content right up here in the top bar. We're going to have a kind of a different looking menu, but I'll tell you guys a little bit more about that later. Once I'm in content, under table of contents here, I want to make sure I have that selected. Whatever I type in either here or here is going to create a module under table of contents. So I'm just going to start doing my subject areas. Language arts. Be careful because I've created language arts, and now if I put one here, it'll create it under language arts. So I want to go back to table of contents and add a module under there. Math. I'm back in table of contents. Let's do science. Let's do social studies. So this is kind of my main organizational tree under table of contents. Once I select them, you see they come up here at the top. When I pick language arts, it says language arts. When I pick math, it says math. When I pick science, it says science. Those are kind of your main modules. Submodules are going to be your organizational structure underneath each one. So if I'm in science, I may want to organize it by 9 weeks. I may want to organize it by topic. Let's just call this one space. Let's call it Earth Science. So underneath Earth, now you can see Earth Science. See how it's indented? That means it's underneath Science. And then maybe we'll do another one underneath Science. I'm going to make sure I have Science selected here. And let's call that Life Science. Yep, that's right, because it's indented under here. Then let's do one more. Let's do Physical Science. And so maybe under Earth Science, once I select it, this is where I want to start doing my activities for the kids. I've really done nothing but create an organizational structure so far. Feel free to organize it however you want to. You can see some examples of how some other people have organized theirs. But once you're under Earth Science, here's where you can do your creation menu. Usually under New, Documents, Dropbox, Discussions. We'll get into all that later. But go ahead right now and practice creating some of those modules. Get your organizational structure set before you start putting content in.